Welcome to the tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about CSS padding and the outline property. So let's get started. CSS padding creates an empty space between the border and the content of an element. Now for the demonstration, we have this random paragraph, and in VS Code we're going to start with padding. Padding accepts 1 to 4 values. I'm going to put 70 pixels. This is going to be for all the sides. Let's check the browser. Here you can notice two things. First, the padding is covered by the background. Second, you can tell that the padding changed the element's dimension. Now let's get back to VS Code. We can add more values, so let's say 10 pixels. Here we have 70 pixels for the top and bottom, and we have 10 pixels for the right and left. Now let's check the browser. We can also put, let's say, 70 pixels for the bottom and 50 pixels for the left. You could do this, or you can set the padding for each single side. You can do like padding left. Let's make it 100 pixels. Now let's check the browser. Here we have 100 pixels padding on the left. Now let's get back to 70 pixels. Padding 70 pixels, and let's move on to outline. Let's start with outline width. Let's make it 50 pixels. Let's say outline color. Let's make it blue or black. Outline style. Let's make it solid. Now let's get back to the browser. And here's our outline. I think it's too much. 50 pixels, I can make it 10. Yeah, that's much better. One last thing we can add is outline offset, which is how far the outline from the border. So let's make it 5 pixels. Let's get back to the browser. And here's our outline. So there is two main differences between an outline and the border. For the outline, we cannot set each side by itself. Also, the outline will not change the dimension of the box. One last thing we can do is the shorthand for the outline. So outline, we can just get rid of these and let's make it black, solid, 5 pixels. And we're gonna add the offset by itself, so outline offset 5 pixels. Let's check the browser. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.